guys, today's recipe is Vazhaipoo Vadai, so let's start. So these are the benefits of consuming this vadai. Take one whole banana flour. Let's peel the skin. Throw the skin. Start cleaning it by removing the black stem. And remove this white little thing too. Chop it well. Remove the root. I am using 1 cup of chana dal which is soaked for 3 hours, and don't skip the soaking process. Then add 2 dried chilies. Then coarse grind it without adding water. Add 1 cup of chopped banana flour. One cup of chopped onions, 3 to 4 chopped garlic, 3 to 4 chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, salt to taste, make them to a ball and flatten it by your hands. Fry this on a medium heat till it turns to golden brown in color. So now our nutritious vadai is ready. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and healthy lifestyle. If you guys like this video, then please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification.